In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a goal tracking system in Airtable. Start by logging into Airtable on your desktop. Click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and name it Goal Tracking System. This will be the hub where all your goals, tasks, projects, and progress connect. Next, create 4 tables: goals, tasks, projects, and progress. Each one has a specific role. Goals holds what you want to achieve. Tasks captures the actions that move you forward. Projects group related work under larger objectives. And progress gives you a quick snapshot of how close you are to completion. Open the goals table and add fields for goal name as single line text. Area as a single select with options like work, personal, health, and finance. Target date as a date field. Status as a single select with not started, in progress, and completed. And priority as a single select with low, medium, and high. This setup keeps each goal clear and measurable. In the tasks table, add task name as single line text, related goal as a linked record pointing to the goals table, due date as a date, status as a single select with to do, in progress and done, and a completed checkbox. Linking tasks to goals ensures every action ladders up to what matters. For projects, add project name, linked goals as a linked record to goals, start date, end date, and a status single select. Use projects to group multiple tasks and goals under one larger initiative, keeping work streams organized. In the progress table, add goal as a linked record to goals, task completed as a linked record to tasks, and a progress percentage as either a number or a formula. This lets you quantify momentum toward each goal. If you're new to formulas, a simple number field works just fine to start. Now link everything together. Connect tasks to goals and projects, and connect goals to progress. If you want to follow along as you build, use the link at the top of the description to open Airtable and mirror these steps in real time. Create helpful views for tracking. In the goals table, set up views for active goals showing not started or in progress, completed goals filtered to completed, and high priority goals showing only high. In the tasks table, create today and upcoming views to surface what needs attention now and what's next. Use sorting and filtering to stay focused. Sort goals by priority or target date, and filter tasks to display only pending actions tied to your active goals. Maintain your system by updating task status daily, reviewing goal progress weekly, and adjusting deadlines or priorities as needed to stay on track. That's how you can track goals in Airtable to manage progress effectively. Thanks for watching.